How to change country on Uber. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your country on Uber. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Uber application, and once you open up your Uber, you will just have to log into your account. Make sure to log into your account by tapping on the top bottom right corner. So once you are logged in, here on your account section, you'll see different options like help, wallet, activity. Just go to help section because there is no active way to change your country on Uber. So from here, what you have to do is tap on get help with your account. And on this section, if you find an option to change country or an article related to that, you can read it. But if you don't see it, what you can do is at the bottom, you see an I need to contact support. Tap on it. So here, what you'll have to do is provide the name of your account correctly. And after that, you just have to select the phone number and make sure that your country is correct. And once you select your country code and your phone number, on the issues, choose the other option, toggle this on, and on the detail about your issue, you just have to mention that I want to change my country. And then once you do that, you can add please help. So once you do that, you can just tap on submit, and after Uber teams receive your appeal, they will review it, and if they find your reasoning valid, they should be able to help with your problem. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next video.